Okay, today we're gonna fix this broken latch for the turntable for this Harbor Freight Chicago electric 10-inch mile saw. If this latch is broken, I cannot. It's just making turning the table much harder. I have to go underneath and pull the rod and tune up the mile saw in order to make a turn. And one or two cut is probably easy, but when you have a lot, then really don't want to do it. So let's fix this problem once and for all today. So what I'm going to do, let's remove this. By the way, always unplug your mile saw before you work on it, just to minimize the dangerous situation that you might have. So let's flip it to the side, so you guys can see what's the problem here. So, you see the problem? Let me focus for you. This latch in here is broken. And when you pull this, it's supposed to press this down and to slide this rod outward and to release this latch in here so you can turn the table. But since they're using some cheap plastic on this part in here, so it's broken, and obviously I'm out of warranty. I didn't buy their insurance and whatever, so I'm out of luck. So what I'm gonna do, first thing first, is let's just remove this plastic piece. I don't think I need it, and then we'll find a way. Actually, I thought about a way already. We'll use some wire to tie onto this pin there. I hope you can see it. Let me see if I can show. That's a pin there that go through it at both sides, and we're gonna make like a kind of like a trigger kind of thing in here. So at least I'll be able to just use my finger to easily pull the rod out, and at the same time I can turn the table. So that's the plan, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so let's remove this. It looks like we don't need this anyway, so let's get this out first. No, this piece can slide out. Maybe I can turn this pin. There you go. You turn this pin. This whole piece. You turn this pin and this thing slides out. I don't want to lose this, so let's put it back for now. Now, for those of you that very good at gluing things together, and you have some epoxy and stuff with you, you might be able to get some JB Weld or 10 minutes epoxy. You can probably glue this back together and just slide back and use it for now. But in my case, I think if you use it all the time, and the force is actually quite big when you use a lever in here. So I say epoxy them back is probably not going to last too long. So I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a simple trigger, and you can just replace this piece, and you don't need to worry about this anymore. Okay, so with that is removed, and we have some of these thin wire that I got it from a dollar store, and you can actually get it from any hardware store you can get. Or if you don't have this wire laying around, you can use some electric wire that you take it out, strip out the insulation, and you can use it. Everything serves the same. I think the length is just roughly, I don't know, I'm just gonna use roughly about 10-inch, I guess. Cut a piece of wire is roughly about 10-inch. Okay. What I want to do is actually going to make a loop and all this in here. So next thing is, got a small screwdriver. Basically, you want to make a small loop so you can loop onto that little pin there. So here's a small plier. So the screwdriver that I pick is, with diameter is roughly about the same size pin. Have a little bit bigger, it'll make it easier. So basically, so this is one loop I make. I was just gonna slide onto it. So on the other side, do the same thing. So a piece of wire, do the same thing. So after that, I'll end up with a wire with 2 loops there. So, okay, I don't want to lose that. So 1 loop on the top, the other one's down there. So after I put it on, so I'll put it on like this. Now I have this 2-piece hoovered up. What I'm going to do, let's just twist this wire. Okay, twist. Make sure that's move a little bit smoother. I'm just going to twist it. Twisting it all the way until you have this little loop in here. And you might ask, when are you going to stop? Well, you see how this works? You can spin out this handle out. And basically, you want to be able to go through this a little bit bigger than that is fine. Don't have to be too big. So I think that would be fine. So now I have a hole right there. The next thing I want to do, before I slide this into it, I have some old electrical wire. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these. I'm not going to need this. And depend on the distance, roughly around that, that's good. That's just to make it easier for your trigger finger. So bend a bit, slide that in. So now you have a piece of insulation there. Then all you need to do, put this in. Spin it back in. Well, there you have it. That's how you do it. And this piece is going to be there. Now, all you need to do, now you have a trigger, you pull, you see the rod sliding. When you finger pull it, now we don't have this insulation, you can replace it with electrical tape or duct tape. You just make it easier for your finger to pull it because thin wire there, or leave it like that. Just the wire is fine, not gonna do anything. So that's done. And to change to a different degree, when you're ready to use the turntable, just put your finger in here and just pull the latch and release the turning table. And we'll go to the next one. Okay, that's how you replace the broken Harbor Freight turntable latch with some simple tool and a little bit of wire. There's no messy epoxy or welding or whatever needed. The design should be very simple. You should be able to get it done with a few minutes. Okay, thank you for watching, and please leave me some comment. I'd love to hear from you. Please like and subscribe. I will definitely post some more interesting video for you guys. Alright, thanks again.